golf cart bodies are almost entirely made up of plastic. From the black trim fading over time to the scuff marks left by golf shoes, it doesn't take long for these carts to become a sight for sore eyes. In this video, we'll show you how to turn this into that for under $40 and in just 3 easy steps. Before you get started, here's a list of the materials you'll need. First, a Cerakote ceramic trim coat kit. Each kit comes with a pair of gloves and 10 pre-moistened wipes, which is plenty of coverage to complete this project. Next, a 5-gallon bucket, a microfiber wash mitt, blue Dawn dish soap, a squirt bottle with just plain old water in it, a compressed air palm sander, and a Trizact 3000 foam disc. Step 1. Washing your golf cart with blue Dawn dish soap. A pressure washer is ideal here, but a hose with a nice spray nozzle on it can do the trick. Real talk, don't skimp on this step and give it the old Saturday morning quick rinse just to cross it off your list of chores. It's very important to ensure a successful project. Why is that? 2 reasons. 1. Cerakote Trim Coat is a ceramic plastic trim coating that actually cures to the plastic, unlike the temporary greasy dressings you're used to squirting all over these carts that disappear within a few washes. Making sure the material is clean and degreased with the Dawn dish soap is very important. 2. You'll be using Trizact 3000, which is a foam disc that preps the surface of your cart. If there are any dirt particles or small rocks, you could potentially get those caught in your disc as you move the palm sander across the surface and scratch your golf cart plastic. Moral of the story, wash this sucker good, really good. Step 2. Now that you have your cart all nice and clean, degreased, and free of debris and dirt, it's time to prep the surface. For this, you'll need your water-only squirt bottle, Trizact 3000, and compressed air palm sander. Don't be intimidated here, this is super simple. To start, take your squirt bottle and wet the area you'll be working on. Maybe even a little spray on the Trizact pad for good measure, then start buffing. As you work and move to new areas, be sure to keep the material damp. The Trizact is going to even out small scratches, remove stains, and even take the nastiest golf shoe scuff marks right off that plastic. This step does not take long, so make it a point to slow down and give the surface a nice, even prep. You'll notice that we aren't using Trizact on the black trim pieces on this cart. That is by design. The Cerakote trim coat works great on surfaces that already have a little texture to them, like black golf cart trim. Once you're done prepping the surface, give the cart one final wash and start drying. Being a ceramic coating, the Cerakote trim coat does not play well with water. Dry the cart as good as possible, even taking an air compressor to the tight areas to get the water out. Maybe even park the cart for a few hours out in the sun to ensure that puppy is bone dry. It's extremely important. Once dried, bring your cart back into the shade so your plastic can cool off for your trim coat application. Step 3. Applying Cerakote trim coat. Be sure your cart is parked in a dry, shaded, and cool area and get your gloves on. Now it's time to open up a wipe packet and bring your once sorry golf cart back to life. Take a pre-moistened applicator wipe right out of the packet, start on whatever piece of plastic you'd like, and begin wiping the trim coat on. With every swipe, you'll see your cart start to transform right in front of your eyes. A common misconception about trim coat is that the wipes may not last long, but don't believe everything you hear. This product is very well known for how much coverage just one wipe can actually give you. Note that there is no need to scrub or wipe an area over and over again. Just wipe enough product on an area to cover it and let the coating lay down on its own. You'll also notice little bubbles on the coating as you apply it. These magic bubbles will go away within seconds as the coating lays down, so there's no need to freak out and call your buddy for backup. This is perfectly normal. Once you're done applying trim coat to all your plastic, let your cart dry for at least an hour. Your trim coat needs proper time to cure before you throw your clubs on it, rally it through the knee-high grass looking for shanked tee shots, or start spilling beer all over the floorboard. We know it's tough, but that painful hour of waiting is going to pay off for you in the long run. Now that you have completed your golf cart restoration, it's time for you to send us your before and after photos. Thank you for watching.